Planning a trip to the beautiful beach town of Sitges in Spain? Whether you're looking for a luxury hotel, a boutique retreat, or a budget-friendly stay, this video displays a variety of excellent accommodations. In this guide, we're counting down the top 10 best hotels in Sitges. Known as the San Tropez of Spain, Sitges is a stunning coastal town just 40 minutes from Barcelona, boasting beautiful beaches and a vibrant atmosphere. Stay tuned for insider tips, real traveler reviews, and everything you need to know to choose the perfect hotel in Sitges for your next vacation. Let's begin with our first of our fabulous hotels. Located right on the seafront, Sitges Terramar is the pinnacle of luxury and style in Sitges. This modern 4-star hotel offers a glamorous beachfront experience, with stylish rooms featuring sea-view balconies, cutting-edge amenities, and curated art. It's a hotspot for celebrities and trendsetters, making it one of the most Instagrammable hotels in Sitges. The design, service, and vibe make it ideal for couples and luxury seekers. Sitges is a little removed from the town centre, but that adds to its peaceful and exclusive feel. If you're after a charming beachfront hotel right in the centre of Sitges, Sercotel Kalma delivers. This 4-star hotel offers a balance between boutique charm and modern comforts. With Mediterranean-inspired decor and a cozy rooftop pool overlooking the sea, it's a favourite for travellers who want proximity and peace. The rooms are warm and inviting, with sea-facing balconies and spacious layouts. It's a top pick for couples or solo travellers wanting to stay close to Sitges nightlife, restaurants, and beaches without sacrificing comfort or quiet. Tucked in the Port d'Aiguadolc area, Melia Sitges combines business-friendly services with resort-style luxury. It's a large, elegant hotel known for spacious rooms, stunning views of the marina, and its impressive pool area. The vibe is professional, polished, and calm, making it perfect for conferences or wellness getaways. Its standout feature is the location. You're a short walk from both the beach and the historic old town, but far enough away to enjoy peaceful surroundings. Set right on the palm-lined promenade, Hotel Calipolis is a favorite among beachgoers and business travelers alike. This modern hotel offers unbeatable sea views from its front-facing rooms, along with a prime location near Sitges' lively gay beach and main shopping streets. It's a versatile hotel that works well for couples, groups, and even families. With an outdoor pool, fitness room, and on-site dining, Calipolis gives you everything you need for a relaxing Sitges getaway. If you're liking this video so far, please hit that subscribe button to see more excellent travel videos. Thank you. Our next visit takes us to the wonderful Hotel Casa Vilella. This boutique gem is a hidden treasure in Sitges, housed in a beautifully restored villa from the early 20th century. Hotel Casa Vilella offers elegance, serenity, and a truly personal touch. With only 14 rooms, it's one of the most romantic hotels in Sitges, perfect for couples or honeymooners. Each room has its own personality, with high ceilings and vintage furnishings. Casa Vilella is about peace, privacy, and timeless charm. Right in the heart of the old town, Hotel Medium Sitges Park is a chic and affordable boutique hotel with a stylish flair. The white facade with modernist detailing makes it an architectural standout. The lush garden courtyard and outdoor pool are unexpected gems for a hotel in such a central location. The hotel also offers a solid and healthy breakfast. Inside, rooms are clean, bright, and trendy, great for travelers who want modern design without the luxury price tag. A peaceful adults-only hotel located in a quiet residential area, Ibersol Antemare is ideal for those looking for a relaxed Sitges hotel with a focus on wellness and comfort. The pool and garden area is a highlight, offering a tranquil spot to unwind. Rooms are spacious, minimalist, and many have balconies. It's a solid mid-range option for couples or mature travelers who want to avoid the hustle and bustle, while being just a few minutes from the beach. Perched on a hill with sweeping views of the Mediterranean, Eurostars Sitges is a high-end resort offering the full package: pools, spa, golf course access, and panoramic views. It's a luxury hotel in Sitges that's slightly outside town, making it perfect for a serene, resort-style stay. The rooms are spacious and many come with balconies offering sunset views over the sea and hills. Ideal for golf lovers, spa enthusiasts, or couples seeking a retreat. Located between the beach and a golf course, Sunway Playa Golf and Spa is a versatile hotel with apartment-style rooms, perfect for families, groups, or long stays. Guests love the on-site spa, rooftop terrace and its beachfront access, and its charming bars and dining areas. Whether you're traveling with kids or just want a place to relax, Sunway Playa is an excellent family-friendly hotel in Sitges with all the comforts of home plus a host of great amenities. For travelers on a budget, Hotel El Cid is one of the best affordable hotels in Sitges. It offers clean, simple rooms and a convenient location just minutes from the beach and train station. Despite the lower price, it doesn't skimp on charm or service. There's a decent-sized pool, complimentary breakfast, and friendly staff who can help with local recommendations. It's a great base for exploring Sitges without breaking the bank. That concludes our trip round the top 10 best hotels in Sitges, which we hope you have enjoyed viewing. If so, please subscribe to our travel channel at Dream to Roam, where we display many other excellent videos, with more to follow. Thank you for watching.